Yeah, what is going on, guys? Just want to come on here to do my trade recap. Today is Tuesday. Well, we're more trading for Monday, but 2 a.m. I got back late from work, so I got home around 1. Um, Managed to grab something to eat, relax for a little bit, had a shower, and now I'm in bed now, and pulled up my laptop because you know what time it is. It's fucking grind time. Everyone else is sleeping right after work or whatever shift they get off. But finish a 10-hour shift and we're still here working to better ourselves each and every day um, through trading. So yeah, let's get into it. It won't be as long of a session um, just because of what time it is and how I have got work. But again, we'll try to get some decent trades in, so we can again gather more data on our strategy. So we yeah, gather more data, feel more confident, right? Feel more confident, take our trades, and also making sure that our strategy is working, right? Working in any type of market condition or whatever. But yeah, let's get cracking. Let's get right into it. Okay, doing first session. What do we kind of get here? Okay, price action from 2016. Okay, check the hourly real quick. Hourly, okay, we just probably made all-time highs. I think we did. Yeah, made all-time highs. Price is making a retracement pullback. Overall, we're bullish, but price is currently making a retracement. Just gotta find where our external break is. So in this case, our external break will be there, there. Get a break above these highs. So we are now reacting. We did react off the zone here. So our recent break would be these highs here. Okay, let's see if we can get a breaker structure to the upside on the 15 minute. Something solid so we can work our way through it. Got a nice market structure shift here. Okay, make equal lows. Okay, we're actually back in the zone again, so we can kind of go back into the lower time frame with these lows being swept. We price could actually come to target these lows down here as well as these lows here, but now we are in our zone once again. Um, so we've got all these stacked lows here. So let's see what we can get on the 5 minute. Ideally, we were looking for a 5 minute clean sweep, and then a market structure shift. Slow price down just a little bit, just so I can catch it. We ideally need a sweep here. Okay, no sweep yet. Okay, get a sweep there. See if we can get a market structure shift. Okay, we do. Clean break there. Let's see if we can get a retracement in this area here. Okay, unfortunately, we did not get a break. Oh, we did not get a retracement after reacting from that zone. So yeah, again, another swift move here. But you know, it is what it is. We can't get a retracement back into this area after getting our clean sweep. Our market structure shift would have been here, and again, no retracement, so no trade. It is what it is. We're gonna move on. So we'll make another session. So that would have been a missed trade, which is completely fine. It is what it is. Go to sessions here. Delete this one. Do this. Oh, cannot trade this. It's too early. See what else we get. To the point where we actually might have to switch our sessions, or not sessions, but our pair that we're trading, because we might have covered a lot, not recent price action, but more of a lot from like 2012 to like 2018, I would say. Okay, it's giving me this. Oh, I might have not selected the fucking. Okay, let's get that loaded. Okay. See where our external is. So this is all-time highs, okay. Let me just double check. There we are in all-time highs. No, we're not in all-time highs. Okay, let me just double check our swing. Yeah, so this will be our most recent, this will be our external structure. So what are we doing? We are drawing equilibrium from the low of the external to the high. Okay. And we do have this area here, but more probable would be this area down here. Let's play price out, see what we get. Okay, this would be a valid retracement. Okay, make a new range, fine. Kind of make another retracement here. This is kind of on the boundary of whether this is valid retracement or not. But we will keep this marked out and we'll see if we get a entry model here. Okay, we did take out these lows. We take out no no, we didn't take out those lows. Did we take out those lows? yeah, we definitely took out these lows. Didn't get a market structure shift. Kind of make our way down again. And then we get a flip here. So it isn't really the cleanest of moves, but we'll see what we get in terms of retracement. The structure's now... Okay, let's wait for another clean sweep, actually. Okay, we get a clean sweep of these lows. Don't really have a market structure shift here. Okay, now we swept these lows. See if we can get a clean break out of it. No. Yeah, it wasn't really a clean move. But this would be an external break here. So we can see if we get a formal retracement, which is what we're getting now. Let me just mark this out. Equilibrium from these lows to these highs. Okay, we are within equilibrium. We have a couple point of interests. We have this area here. Let me just mark this all out. This area here. And lastly, this area here. So we'll see if we get our entry model. Okay, check out these lows. Okay, a market structure shift here. See if we can get a nice reaction from this area here. But depending, which we are reacting off now, depending whether we take this high or not off the retracement. So if we get a nice bullish candle, but we take out these highs, I probably won't take a trade on this. Okay, they didn't give me a chance to fucking entry there. Okay, so I probably won't take a trade just because our break even definitely got hit. Okay, so this would honestly be a no trade day. Missing 2 trades. Let's get another session going. See what we get. Okay, more recent price action. See what the hourly is doing. So we probably flip bearish there on the external 15-minute. So the internal is now, the external on the 15-minute is bearish. And 1 hour internal just turned bearish as well. So let me just double check here what we have. Okay. Okay, break. Okay, definitely touch equilibrium. Okay, we throw it in this range here. Okay, did we get a clean sweep anywhere on this 5-minute leg? Well, we kind of do here, but we would have missed it. No clean sweep here. Yeah, no clean sweeps yet. Nothing yet. Put in a new high now. Okay, we do have all these highs here. Okay, not a clean sweep, so we'll leave that. Nothing clean so far. Slow down just a tiny bit. Okay, clean sweep, clean break. See if we can get a retracement. Fuck. Would have been a missed trade. And we break 15-minute as well. Okay. 15 minutes internals now bearish. See if we get another entry model. Not a clean break there. Do get a clean sweep here. But no market structure shift. Okay. Get a sweep here. See how well we close. I'll probably wait for this. Okay. Candle to close. Okay. Not a very good close. Okay, kind of a sus close there. Okay, I'm more than happy to take this. Probably look to target these lows here. We have our break even point, which would be here. Let's see what we get. Good commitment. Don't like how we actually swept these lows, but let's see. You take out these lows yet? No, not yet. Okay, took out those lows now. We're going to break even, break even trade. Boom, we smash it. So again, I know, like, and that's something that this is a trade that I would have to keep in mind as well. That when um when we don't get that retracement, right? We can still wait for our entry model, right? We still had an entry model into that original POI, right? So again, it's and within the same range here. So price had that sweep before. We put on a new low, right? We pretty much just waited for another sweep, another clean sweep, and we reacted nicely off that original POI within this leg here. So that's something that I need to keep note of as well as the original structure. But also, this was very clean. I mean, we get a clean sweep, so no closure above these highs within this range here. So it was a clean sweep. Um, we already had that market structure shift. So ideally, we were still within this long range here. But we did wait for our entry model by waiting for a sweep, a clean sweep with price and closure above. We waited for a nice bearish candle, because again, we still had these two 5 minute fair value gaps where price was actually reacting from. So as you guys can see, that price is actually reacting from these gaps, but with the closure below, with a nice closure, we were able to kind of secure our mind to, for us to be happy to take the trade. Um, you know, the fact that we waited for a nice closure, and yeah, I mean, overall decent trade. Waited for a closure below these fair value gaps, as well as in nice volumetric candle as well. So in my head, like my psychology is like, oh, okay, I'm more than happy to take this, and I say this, um, before any trade I take. It's like a habit. It's like, fuck it. Like, I don't mind taking this, because it kind of lines up for what I'm kind of looking for. I know not every trade will be the same, but you guys get the idea of, where we're going with this. So, yeah, again, a fucking really nice trade here. Um, but we'll do one more session for the night before I call it, and we'll see how we go. See how we go. So, what did we have? I think we had a break even. Had a break even. And a win. Or did we take a loss? No, I think we went break even. Yeah, break even. So break even and a win so far. So not too bad. We'll do one more. Just gotta get rid of this fucking thing. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay. Let me just see where we are. Okay, so we're starting to make some moves up. Internally, we are bullish on the 4 hour, 1 hour. What are we kind of looking for? I would say externally on the 15 minute, we're bullish. Let me just see though. So would have had a switch in direction here, here, there, and we switch back bearish here, here, and now here. Okay, so our external break currently is this. This is our dealing range at the moment. So obviously, within equilibrium, this would be our only POI. So let's see if we get a retracement. This would be a valid retracement. So as you guys can see, this is a waiting game, right? This is more of this is more me um waiting for the trade to come to me. So this will be more like checking the charts just whenever, because I think session wise, it would be kind of impossible. So A plus trades come when price hits our POIs. So whatever time that might be. So we might only be taking ideally one trade a week or like one or two trades a week. But if those winning trades are winning trades, then ideally we would be up for the month. So it doesn't really matter about waiting for a trade. Um, and again, I feel like we have a structured approach. So we're not coming onto the markets trying to play every order block or play every fair value gap. We're kind of waiting for that A plus hit up to come to us, right? And that's how we become more consistent. Helps with our psychology as well. So, um, yeah, I mean, we'll just keep going. Okay, we make a new range here. Okay, we get a tap into that one of our POI zones in equilibrium. Should have just marked this whole fucking thing out. Yeah. We also have our last kind of defense layer there. See if we get a sweep on the 5 minute. Nothing on the 5 minute. Okay. This would be a nice area for price to sweep. Okay, cool. Right, looking good. Okay, get a closure above. I'm not worried about this high anymore. Okay, we do have all these stacked highs as well. Okay, not worried about them now. Not worried about this or this. So we do have this. Yeah, we got a closure above. Yep. Okay, nothing really solidified yet. Okay, we do have these highs as well. Did we take those highs? Can't see. I think we took those highs. Man, I can't even fucking see. What the fuck? Or do we make equal highs? Anyways, let's see if we get a nice market structure shift. Okay, now let's confirm that we're taking those highs. See if price holds these highs. Get a nice shift. Okay, we don't. So we're not worried about this anymore. We hold these highs. Okay, get a nice market structure shift there. See if we can get a retracement. And this from this area here. Okay, we'll need to see a kind of nice reaction from the zone, which is what we get there. We'd have to go break even very, very early on, which is completely, it's fine. But yeah, just thought I'll let you guys know that we will have to go break even at these lows here. So let's try it. Okay, so we end up getting stopped. Yeah, I see the reason. We even though we closed above so I shouldn't have even taken this trade, to be honest. So we've taken these highs, but no clean sweep. So why we take another trade, right? But we do have a clean sweep here. See what price does. Yeah, ideally I shouldn't have taken this trade, just because we didn't get it. We even though we took these highs, we closed above these highs. Um, and yeah, again, no clean sweep. So I shouldn't have I shouldn't have taken that trade, or even like not even that, but we didn't even get a clean sweep here as well. So um, yeah, shouldn't have taken that trade, but it's all right. But yeah, that kind of wraps it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, God bless you guys. Thank you guys for keeping me on this journey, keeping me motivated, keeping me accountable. That's the main thing as well. And yeah, again, God bless you guys. See you guys in the next video. Well, actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, peace.